you cannot play an instrument, you have never written a lyric in your life, you failed music class, none of that matters anymore. There is an app that turns a text prompt into a complete song, vocals, melody, production, everything, in about 30 seconds. And people who figured out how to sell what it makes are earning anywhere from $1,000 to $8,000 a month from music they never played. The CEO of this company described it to Forbes as the Ozempic of the music industry. His exact words, everybody's on it, and nobody wants to talk about it. I'm going to show you what the app is. The app is called Suno, S-U-N-O. And before you think this is some niche tool a few tech people are playing with, here are the actual numbers. 2 million paying subscribers, $150 million in revenue last year, $25 million in February alone. And every single day, Suno's users generate 7 million songs. 7 million in one day. That's the entire Spotify catalog recreated every 24 hours. Warner Music Group, one of the biggest record labels on the planet, sued Suno for copyright infringement. Then settled. Then struck a partnership deal with them because they realized fighting it was less profitable than joining it. So, how are people actually making money with this? There are 3 models, and they stack. Model 1, stock music licensing. Content creators on YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts need background music constantly. One creator built a catalog of 30 tracks, cinematic, ambient, lo-fi, and listed them on a platform called Audio Jungle. By month 2, he was making $2,000 a month from tracks he generated in an afternoon. The music just sits there, getting licensed over and over. Model 2, custom songs on Fiverr. People pay for personalized songs, birthday songs, wedding songs, anniversary gifts, business jingles. On Fiverr right now, sellers are charging $25 to $50 per custom song. Each one takes 15 minutes to make using Suno. That's $200 an hour if you line up the orders. Model 3. And this is the one with the real scale. Selling the knowledge. After making thousands of songs, one creator realized something. People weren't just buying the music. They were desperate to know how to make it themselves. He packaged his 500 best Suno prompts, the specific text instructions that produce professional sounding tracks, into a guide. Sold it for $27. Sound familiar? The same prompt pack model from video 1, except this time for music. And it works for the exact same reason. People want shortcuts, and they pay for them. Here's the part of this story that most people are not connecting. The music industry has spent 2 years trying to stop this. Every major label sued Suno. Over 200 artists signed an open letter against it. Billie Eilish, Katy Perry, dozens of others. Grammy-winning DJ Diplo said publicly, and I'm not making this up, "You're not going to win. There's no fighting AI." The Chainsmokers are using Suno to generate song ideas. Pharrell Williams said AI helps with the minutia of making music. When the people at the top of the industry you're disrupting start using your tool, the disruption is complete. The window where regular people can get in and profit before it becomes mainstream knowledge is not years away. It's now. So what does actually starting look like this week? Suno's free plan exists, but gives you 50 songs a day, enough to test. The pro plan is $8 a month and gives you commercial rights to everything you create. That's the one you need if you're selling. Pick one niche and only one. The people making real money are not making random songs. They're building catalogs, cinematic background music, lo-fi study beats, meditation tracks, corporate background music. Pick one, generate 50 tracks, keep the best 20, list them as a bundle. The prompt matters more than anything else. Don't type "make a relaxing song." Type "soft ambient piano." List on Audio Jungle, Pond 5, or Gumroad. Write descriptions that solve a specific problem. 8 minutes of background music for YouTube creators that won't trigger copyright strikes. Sells better than relaxing piano track. One honest warning before I close. The platforms are getting better at detecting AI music. Some distributors are flagging and removing tracks. The legal landscape is still being settled in court. This is not a guaranteed passive income stream that works forever without effort. The people making serious money are curating ruthlessly, generating 20 to 30 tracks to find one worth selling, and staying on top of which platforms accept AI music and which don't. The knowledge gap is the opportunity, and it is shrinking every single week. Next week, I'm covering the exact platform where AI music is selling fastest right now, and what the top listings have in common. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And comment below, would you buy a custom song as a gift for someone? I'm curious how many people in the comments have actually paid for music recently. I read every reply.